Today, I'll walk you through how to install the Elementor plugin in WordPress, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add this powerful page builder to your website so you can create stunning layouts with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by navigating to your website's URL followed by /wp-admin. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look for the Plugins option on the left-hand menu. Click on it to proceed. This section is where you can manage all the plugins that enhance your site's functionality. Now click on the Add New button at the top of the Plugins page. This will take you to the plugin installation area where you can search for new tools to add to your site. In the search bar, type Elementor. This is the name of the plugin we want to install. Elementor is a popular page builder that allows you to design your pages with a simple drag-and-drop interface. After you search, you will see the Elementor website builder in the results. If you haven't installed it yet, you will see an Install Now button next to it. Click on that button to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. If it shows active, that means you already have it installed. If you just activated it, you will now see Elementor listed in your plugins section. To confirm that Elementor is installed successfully, look at the left sidebar of your dashboard. You should see Elementor listed there. This means you're ready to start using it. Another way to check if Elementor is ready to go is by navigating to the Pages section in your dashboard. Here, you will see an option that says Edit with Elementor next to any page that is connected to the plugin. This is where the fun begins, as you can start designing your pages. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Elementor plugin in WordPress. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.